In the last video, we learned about variables. Now it's time to dive deeper into something every Java programmer must know: primitive data types. Primitive types are like the atoms of Java, tiny, powerful building blocks that store simple values. There are 8 of them, and we can group them into 4 main categories: whole numbers, decimal numbers, characters, and booleans. Let's start with the whole number types. First up, we have byte. It's the smallest, just 1 byte of memory, and can store numbers from -128 to +127, which is basically -2 to the power 7 to 2 to the power 7 minus 1. Next is short. This one takes 2 bytes and can hold values from -32,768 to +32,767, or in powers, -2 to the power 15 to 2 to the power 15 minus 1. Then comes int, the most commonly used. It takes 4 bytes and can store values from -2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1, that's over 2 billion. And for even bigger numbers, we have long. It uses 8 bytes and holds values from -2 to the power 63 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1. That's a seriously huge range. Now let's talk decimals. Float is a 4-byte number that holds decimal values, accurate up to 6 to 7 digits. It follows the IEEE 754 standard, and you'll need to add an F at the end, like 3.14F. Double is the heavyweight of decimals. It takes 8 bytes, gives you about 15 digits of precision, and is the default choice for decimal numbers. Next, we've got a special type for individual characters, char. A char uses 2 bytes and stores a single character using Unicode, letters, digits, symbols, anything. It ranges from 0 to 65, 535, or 0 to 2 to the power 16 minus 1. And finally, the most basic of them all, the boolean. It can only hold true or false. It just needs 1 bit, but Java reserves 1 full byte for it internally.